Tila. Now, can I hear from you, please? Again? Yes, teacher Tila. Okay, great. Now, before we start our lesson for today, may I request everyone first to stand up? Yes, stand up. Good, thank you. Now, this time we will sing a song, and this song is what we call a good morning sound. Are you excited, guys? Again, I want to hear it. Are you excited? Yes, okay. Now, here's the song. I will sing you first and then you follow me, okay? Okay, here's the song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, good. And then you will say it. I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, class? Now, let's sing it together with action, okay? Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, you are so amazing and wonderful. This time, can you please sit down for now? Okay, thank you, class. Now, we will have our new lesson, and this lesson is all about the letter. What letter? Do you know? Do you know this one? Yes, letter A. This is how it looks like. This is the letter A, or the mother of A. Can everyone see it? Okay, good. Now I also have this one. Okay, this is what we call the small letter A. And this is how it looks like. And this is how you are going to write it later. Now, do you know the sound of letter A? Anybody? Do you know? If you know, please raise your hand. Anybody? Okay, this time I will show you how to say the sound of letter A. First, you need to open your mouth and then say ah. Okay, everybody, say ah. A for ah, not a, not a, but you have to open your mouth and then say ah. Okay, again. Yes, very good. This time, do you know the thing that starts with letter A? Anything that you know, please raise your hand. Amar, do you know? Okay, I will show you something. Have you eaten this kind of fruit? Or have you seen this kind of fruit? It is so delicious, and I love this fruit, and I always eat this kind of fruit. Do you know what is this? Yes, Najwa. This is an apple. Very good. Again, everyone, this is an apple. Okay, listen, apple. Open your mouth and say apple. Okay, let me show you the spelling of apple. Can you see this? A-P-P-L-E, apple. You see, it starts from letter A. Again, everybody say apple. will show this to you. Have you seen this kind of animal? I see this kind of animal a lot in our class. There are a lot of this in our class, right? And they are very small. Have you seen this one? What do you call this one? Koyin, do you know what is this? Yes, this is an ant. Very good. This is an ant. Everybody say it. Ant. Ant. Open your mouth. Ant. So, what the letter is that? Yes, correct. Letter A. Okay, I will show you the spelling of ant. A-N-T. Ant. So what letter? Yes, you see A. Again, with the sound of letter A. Open your mouth and say apple. Apple. Yes, very good. Now, another thing. Have you read this kind of transportation? Do you know what is kind of transportation? Yes, this is an aeroplane. Again, class, aeroplane. Open your mouth and say it. Aeroplane. Very good. Look, this is the spelling of aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Yes, all of these words start with the letter of A. A-R. Now, can you read all of these together? Apple. And aeroplane. Okay, again, with the sound of letter A. Apple. And aeroplane. Yes, very good. Now class, this time you know already what the sound of letter A. Now I have something to show you. This is a short activity. You see this cloud? Yes, what you are going to do is you need to think for a thing that start with the letter A, and you are going to draw it inside the cloud, okay? Here's the example. This is an arrow. Do you see this? And you are going to pass it to me after you finish your drawing. Is that clear, class? Okay, before we start, let me check again. What is the sound of letter A? Yes, good. The sound of letter A is A. Very good, class. This is a big letter A and this is the small letter A. Everybody, can you read it together? A, A. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A, A for ant. A-N-T. Ant. A, A for aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. It's like we fly in the aeroplane, looking at the window, watching the cloud, the sky goes down. Yes, okay, good. Okay, now that is all our lesson for today. I will see you again by tomorrow class, okay? Bye!